You want to learn how to make macaroni seafood stuffing sweet pepper? This is a step-by-step recipe for you. Watch to the end. Nice and tasty. Look at this. Here, we have two lobster tail, some shrimp, and a piece of salmon. First, I'm going to cut the salmon in bites. So I'm just washing them with lime. So here, I have some water boiling in this pot. This is the water I'm going to boil the macaroni in. Going to add a teaspoon of salt to it. Going to add 1 cup macaroni. You want to stir it right away. I'm going to make it boil for 9 minutes. I'm going to season the seafood with my all-purpose seasoning. This is the pan I'm going to cook the seafood in. I'm going to turn on the stove. Going to add butter. Going to add onions. Now add garlic. Going to add sweet peppers. Fresh thyme. Add all the seafood. I'm going to cook them for 5 minutes. Now the seafood cooked, going to move it to the side. Now I'm going to make the cheese sauce. To the pot, add butter. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Now I'm going to add heavy cream. Going to add some of my all-purpose seasoning, not too much. I'm going to add cheese, a liquor by liquor, not too much one time. And I will list the ingredients below. To the cheese sauce, I'm going to add the salmon and lobster. Now I'm going to add the macaroni. Now I'm going to stuff it inside the peppers. I'm going to add the shrimp them one by one. So I'm just going to top it off with some more cheese on the top. Now I'm going to put them inside the oven at 375 degrees for 8 minutes. Okay, here you have it. Nice and tasty.